Chintu, I told you to do a one thing and you busy in your mobile.
Mom, I am doing something important work.
What's something important?
Watching memes. So cold in the room early morning. Looks like electricity will gonna be high. Papa, you should become a motivational speaker.
Is anyone at home?
How do you do? Welcome, please. Sit.
Will someone give me water or have we come to a desert?
I am drinking it right now.
Remember, it should be cold. My throat doesn't like normal water.
Wow, even his throat has attitude.
Oh, you came.
How do you do?
I'm fine. How do you do?
We have brought a very big marriage proposal for Suman.
Oh, a marriage proposal. That too for Suman.
And they are very wealthy people. And they have also 2 aces in their house.
We also have at our home 2 ACs, but it's just only one is working.
Chintu!
How do you do?
Look, the heroine has arrived. There is big news for you.
What?
We have brought a very big marriage proposal for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Here too much study is not good for health. Girls should stay simple.
And what about boys?
They have freedom.
Oh wow, but Alanaka, did you write the constitution by yourself?
Suman, speak respectfully.
See, I am saying get her married.
But I don't get married right now. Why will you not marry? Your age will trespass in ours. Grandma, I am not a train that I will leave. No one is listening to me in this house.
But in my time, girls wasn't that talkative.
But at the time, Wi-Fi was not there. But
Chintu, this boy keeps insulting me.
it's
Some
my
manners
job to
are-
insult you.
Some manners are there or not?
Not.
Hi Suman. Hello.
Who is she?
I am her best friend.
Oh, it's you who gives her modern ideas.
No, I give oxygen to her.
Nowadays, girls are always talking about their career.
And nowadays, some people just think about girls as a responsibility more than a human being.
Being disciplined, they can come anytime.
Oh, everyone sit properly. How do you do? How do you do? Please welcome.
Welcome, welcome. Your footsteps have made our house holy.
Yes.
Someone this guy an Oscar.
Please take what?
Who's the groom here? What will you do? I hope you'll keep my daughter as a queen. Let me call her. Someone bring the tea.
Here, hold the cup properly. First impression matters.
Yes, but this isn't NASA interview.
Didi makes it even better when she is angry.
Do you know how to cook food?
Yes, but I like more books. What will you do after marriage study? I will continue.
Suman, after marriage, girls manage homes, not colleges.
Which rule book says that?
It's society's rule. Do you know?
Is this society gonna come with me for give my exam?
Enough, this is such a good proposal.
Dad, but you are one who told me that dream big.
Dream big but within limit.
To dream even has limits.
After marriage, everything is good.
I'm not software that I get updated.
Nowadays, girls want only independence.
And some uncle just for control.
I respect this family.
But people in the house don't respect you, Babaji.
Okay, I am going.
Go, let me know if you need Google Map.
No, sit down,
teach him some values.
Okay, okay.
I want to say something.
Don't keep quiet. We are talking right now, so do not interfere.
No. If someone wants to study, let him go study.
But what about the marriage?
The right time of marriage when both are ready.
Have a seat.
Suman is a bright, brilliant student. She will go very far in her career.
I know, but first she'll marry.
But by education, she can manage both things, home and society.
But she'll live like a queen at the house.
Okay.
I was just scared what people would say.
Dad, but one day people will praise you for this.
Alright, let's study first.
Suman, if you want to go study, first you complete your study. Then
I hope you like the